In this chapter, we're going to look at ways to create more complex queries using MySQL. First of all, we're going to examine MySQL's method for sorting the result set you get back from a select query and the way to specify a particular number of results to return results from a select query. We're also going to be looking at ways to query more than one table using inner and left joins, and we're going to look at data aggregation. To begin with, let's take a look at the database that I've created as an example for use within this chapter. The database is called sample, and the tables are customers, orders, products, and a table called order items. What we're going to look at this time is the customers table. So let's look at the columns from the customers table. As we can see, there's customer ID and a combination of fields to capture the customer's name and title, and a phone number field. If we do a simple select query getting all the data from customers, as we can see, the select query returns the data in the order in which it was entered. If we want to change that and sort the data in a way that we specify, then what we use is an order by clause. We type in exactly the same command, select all from customers, then we add a clause here, and it's simply order by, and then we type in the name of the field. If we wanted to order by the first name field, then we could do that, and as we can see, where before Jenny came first, Billy now comes first, because B becomes before J in the alphabet. If we wanted to order by a different field, we'd simply change the name of the field or column in the order by clause. As we can see, it's now the surname that has decided the order of the records that are being put out by the select query. We can, if we want, specify whether the order should be an ascending or descending order. By default, if we specify an order by clause without specifying ascending or descending, by default the behavior is ascending. So to say ascending, ASC, at the end of an order by clause is kind of implied. If we want to reverse that and specify that we want it descending, then we should specify DESC at the end of our order by clause.